How can I help? Ah, yes. You must be... Yup. Madam Kujo Sara of the Tenryo Commission. You and Mia noticed them getting the venue ready when she was here to deliver some fireworks. As to what Madam Kujo Sara...
Oh, so other people... So...
Unfortunately, since we had to allocate them to a tiny beach at the northwest part, if only they'd applied earlier, we could have given them a better look. Head northwest. You'll see them.
I was just wondering when you'd be showing up. Next thing I know, look at this venue. What do you think? Is this a prime...
The venue is situated against the backdrop of with excellent transport links by sea and land. Getting where you need to be is highly convenient, whether you're traveling.
The moment I set eyes on this venue, it was the moment that...
Give it up for the boy!
Clearly you're only here because the Tenryo Commission said...
I invited you all here to attend the almighty...
Yeah, boss said the first goal of the festival is to promote the Arataki.
Secondly, it's to celebrate Shinobu's. And last but not least, it makes up for all the previous team-building events that were canceled.
3 festivals in one?
Akira, we can leave that last point out from now on. The thing with festivals is, you gotta get...
Hey! Shinobu's supposed... How come she's out there working?
Hey, I'm hard at work too.
Boss actually just got back.
He said he was expecting you to arrive any second. Until then, he was out there with Shinobu working.
Just...
Wow, this bull chucker actually...
Trust a puny little Anyway, so, compadre, you got any questions? Oh, you mean... Yeah, I hesitated, but, I cannot believe how ungrateful she is. Get this, she came all the way out here just to put up a bullet. She even warned us not to change it. One day, I'm gonna defeat that Tengu fair and square in broad day. Anyway, so, compadre... The owner of Naganohara chatting with her is a real blast. She really liked what we were trying to do here and came to pass on her back. Looks like the Arataki gang should make sure... Anyway, so, compadre... A ton of totally awesome stuff! See that hill over there? That's Sing-Along Hill. And this bonfire? It's perfect for roasting lavender melons, the regular kind. And these boxes, plenty of space whether you want to play...
Wow.
But of course, the highlight of this festival is the drum-along. Here, feast your eyes on this. Just between you and me, this little treasure was sourced through a top-secret channel. They said it surprised him, thanks to my strapping good looks and the fact that the vendor and I kind of had a, connection. Her word.
She went from 8 million to 800,000 just like...
Duh! Oldest trick in the book. I spotted the damage on the edge right away. Practically screamed, defective product alert! So I haggled hard and took her down to 80 G's.
Yeah... Still, it's pretty impressive that you...
It's only 8...
I put in 20 grand.
Me too. Huh?
20 grand plus 20... you really are a bull chucker!
You might want to check your mathematics there. I paid my... All right, good chat, but, we should... The festival's just getting started. We need to take care of the hand drum, all right? Oh, and if you want... Laters, compadre.
I'm Genta, The Arataki. Oh, I almost forgot. There's something. Since none of us really know if it's in tune or not, that way it'll sound better when. Go on. I'm Genta. Are you ready for your drum? Let the drum.
Come on! I wonder when I'll be as tall as my big sister. I wonder when I'll be as tall as my big sister. Take flight!
A blade embraces its duty, as a jeweler cherishes their gems. A blade is like a tea leaf. Only those who sample it many times can appreciate its true qualities. A blade embraces its duty, as a jeweler cherishes their gems. Brace yourselves.